let's go over the syllabus for this course. So this is Introduction to Statistics, and this is going to be an 8-week course. Okay, my office hours are going to be on Canvas, and it'll be through Cisco WebEx. Monday through Thursday, I will be available from 5:30 to 7:45 p.m., and on Friday from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. If you do not want to schedule a meeting, and just email me. My email address is jessicapatrick@ladelta.edu. Okay, so there's the course description here, and what we're going to go over are descriptive and inferential statistics, and we're going to cover some topics like data, probability, and so on, but we'll get into that later. You have 3 credit hours for this course, and to be able to be into this course, what you need to have is a C or better in college algebra. Now, the textbook that we're going to use is OpenStack's Introductory Statistic Textbook. This is completely free online. You can purchase it in the bookstore for a paper copy if you want to, but these will be posted under the modules in Canvas. So you will need a laptop with internet and either a built-in camera or an external camera, and we need that because we're going to use HONORLOCK for our exams. And you can also have a calculator that is graphing or non-graphing. So you can have a simple calculator or a fancy calculator. Either one is fine for this course. Okay, the homework is 20% of the grade, and I'm going to drop a lowest homework section so that it will give you a little bit of wiggle room. Now, all the homework is going to be found in Canvas under the quizzes. We'll have 3 unit exams. All 3 of those total will be 60% of the grade, so each one of those are going to be 20%. Each exam will be 20%. And I'm going to drop the lowest unit exam at the end of the course. The final exam will be 20% as well. Now, this is required, and it's not going to be waived. Even if you have an A for the course, you still need to take the final. And it's also a comprehensive element to it. So that means it's going to be over everything that we cover within this course. Okay. Now, there will be practice exams for every exam that we have. And I'm also going to have reviews for those practice exams as well. You can find the dates for those in the modules. Okay, so we do have some extra credit opportunities. There is a bonus discussion for each unit exam, and that's 2%. I'll add 2% to the grade. There's also one bonus question on each exam. That's also worth 2% and to that particular exam. And then for the homework, the average homework, if it is 95% or higher, what I'm going to do is I'll add 3% to the overall course grade. Okay, now your grades in this course is a rating of your performance relative to the standards established by the professor, and it's not a ranking of your standing in the class. So what that means is it's based on what you do and what you would do alone in this course, and I'm not going to look at your grade and then compare it to everybody else's within the course. It's just based on your performance alone. Okay, the final average of your earned grades will automatically round up to the next whole number if the average is 0.5 or greater. So if we're at the end of the course and you are looking at a 89.5, okay, well, that's going to automatically round up. If it's an 89.6, it automatically rounds up. So if it's 0.5 or greater, you don't have to worry about that. It will automatically go up to the next whole number. So that 89.5, that's really just a 90. 89.6, or yeah, 89.6, that's a 90. Okay, here's your grading scale. 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, 60 to 69 is a D, and 0 to 59 is an F. Okay, so what you'll need for the exam is a pen or pencil, a graphing calculator, or a non-graphing calculator, either one, or Excel, some paper, and you'll need HONORLOCK installed on your computer. Okay, here's a couple of, or a few rules for HONORLOCK, and I have this linked on Canvas, and it's in the syllabus. So you need to go over these rules before you take an exam. And we have a practice quiz just using HONORLOCK, so you can kind of get the feel of what it's like and what steps you need to go through before we actually get to an exam. Now make sure that you have your computer plugged in or it's fully charged if you don't have the charger with you, because if it dies in the middle of an exam, then you'll have a 0 for that exam, because I won't be able to let you reattempt it or give you extra time for that exam. So just make sure that your computer is either plugged in or it is fully charged before you take an exam. Okay, so two things that you need, or actually what you need, is Google Chrome. Make sure you are using Google Chrome when you access Canvas and you go through all the assignments in that course. And if you do have technical issues, please send me either a photo or a video of what exactly is going on. It helps me to understand what's happening and we can resolve it quicker, okay? So if you do that, I may be able to give you an extension or some kind of accommodation. Okay, so attendance, that is based on completing an assignment. Just because you log into the course and then log out, that's not participation. It's actually you completing an assignment for this course. Okay, now attendance can be used to apply 0.5% to the final grade at the end of the semester. Okay, so if I go back and I look at your attendance and you attended every single week and you were on top of your assignments, then if you are on the fence with a grade, I can use your attendance to kind of kick you over the fence and give you a better grade at the end of the semester. And that could be based on your attendance. Okay, Canvas policy. Make sure you check Canvas at least twice a week, okay? If I post something, it's important. I don't try to send any kind of email or post anything that doesn't have some kind of importance to it. Okay, make sure you have a Canvas account. Make sure you have an email and it's up to date within your Canvas, okay? Okay, now the last day to withdraw from this course is February 21, 2022. Okay, now let's talk about some misconduct. Cheating, fabrication, plagiarism, violations of class rules, and misrepresentation. If any of these misconducts are, if you do any of these types of misconducts, then the type of actions that could be placed on you are loss of partial credit for an assignment, reduced grade for the course, a grade of F for the course, 0 assigned to test or assignment, probation, counseling, academic suspension, or expulsion. Okay, so just don't do any of these, and I won't have to do any of these, okay? Now, everything that I've just said is subject to change. Now, if something does change, that I'm going to let you know either through an email or an announcement. Okay. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.